Hi guys, we are in the last lesson of topic 2. And what we are supposed to be doing today is we're supposed to represent polygons, shapes on the coordinate plane. And not only that, we have to find their perimeter. So perimeter means the distance around the outside edges, the total distance. And there's a couple ways to find their total distance on the coordinate plane. When they give you a picture, the easiest way is going to be to do your bunny hops. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That side length is 5. This is a rectangle, so how far across is this side? It's also going to be 5 because opposite sides are the same length of a rectangle. This side is 1, 2. So that means this side is 2. So to find the perimeter, you are going to add all those numbers together. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 2 more is 14 units. So that's what we're doing today. We are taking distance on the coordinate plane, but instead of just having 2 points, we are figuring out the total distance around a figure. Now, that's perimeter. Say we wanted to do area. You guys remember what area means to do with a rectangle? Area means multiply length times width. So our length is 5, our width is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, whoops, I hit the wrong button. So the area is going to be 10 units squared. That means it takes 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It takes 10 squares to fill up that figure. All right, so let's make this a little bit harder, shall we? This time you're given a problem where it says find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so here's my rectangle with vertices at these locations. It doesn't let me do bunny hops, so I must find distance. Okay, I'm actually going to clear that, and I'm going to start with a coordinate plane. Now, I like to sketch it out just because it helps me visualize it. I am not going to be exact in any way, shape, or form. So -2 means go backwards 2. +5 means go up 5. So here's M, which is -2, comma 5. All right, so I'm going to label it. The next one is N. It says go backwards 2, down 4. Okay, so backwards 2, down 4. Got it. O is going to be +3, down 4. Because you guys, it's a rectangle, so the sides are going to line up. They're going to be straight. 3, -4. And I need one more point. It's going to have to be right here to complete that shape. And that point is over 3, up 5. All right, so my job is going to be to figure out how far apart these dots are. And the beautiful thing is, since it is a rectangle, opposite sides are going to be the same length. So I'm going to start here. So when you look at these two ordered pairs, do you see how the 3's match? So all I have to figure out is how far away the 5 and the -4 are. Remember, those are different signs. When they're different signs, you add, because I went down 4 and I went up 5. So 5 above plus 4 below equals 9, because I'm taking this 5 and this 4, and I'm adding their positive values. So that's a 9. All right, so now let's look at these two ordered pairs. The -4 match, so I'm figuring out the distance between -2 and a +3. Those are different signs. One went 2 to the left, one went 2 to the right, or 3 to the right. So 2 plus 3 means it's a total of 5 apart. Now I want to find the total distance, which means I need to add all 4 sides together. Well, 5 and 5 makes 10. 9 plus 9 makes 18. Add them together, and my answer is going to be 28 units. So when you find perimeter, you want to count all the way around. And if you can't bunny hop, you know how to use the coordinates to find distance. So that's perimeter. For fun, let's do area. It didn't ask for it, but let's do it anyway. Area is length times width. 5 times 9 is 45. So it would take 45 little squares to fill up the entire rectangle. And that is that.